Hey everyone, let's check out Windows 11. It looks different, right? The Start button and all your apps are now in the middle of the taskbar at the bottom. It's clean and simple. Ever have too many things open and can't find what you need? Windows 11 has a cool trick. Move your mouse over the Maximize button on any window. See those options? Click one, and you can split your screen in different ways. You can have 2, 3, or even 4 apps open side by side without any hassle. Want to keep work and play separate? You can make new desktops for different parts of your life. Just click on the Task View button next to the Start button, and then click New Desktop. You can switch between them easily. Missing your friends or need to talk to someone at work? Click the chat icon on the taskbar. You can start a chat or video call with anyone right away. It's super easy. Looking for more apps or games? The Microsoft Store has lots of new things to try, and now you can even use some Android apps right on your computer. Just go to the Microsoft Store, find what you like, and click Install. Love games? Windows 11 makes them look amazing and load super fast. And if you have Xbox Game Pass, you can play a bunch of games anytime you want. Want to quickly see the weather or news? Click the widgets icon on the taskbar. You can see lots of useful stuff at a glance. Windows 11 also helps keep your computer safe from bad stuff. It has new security features that work really well without you having to do anything. Windows 11 is all about making things easier for you, whether you're working, playing, or just browsing the web. It's got something for everyone.